Hi everyone! I have great news. The marble covers arrived and look how pretty they are. What a beautiful marble print. And this is the other side. So pretty. Let me show you the inside. The inside is also so beautiful with rosé gold. Look how pretty. This cover fits the classic size happy planner or other same size planners. Let me show you how it goes inside. You might want to know how you add this happy planner to this cover. You slide it in this pocket. Then you can just close it. And then you have a perfect, I'm doing this with one hand, perfect cover for your planner. And look how pretty it is. And of course you can also add other things like the paper sheets or your stickers. It can all go in your cover and it still fits. And of course you can just leave it open like this. It fits all perfectly. This cover is available for $25 in the Planything webshop. It is a limited edition, so when it's sold out, it won't be restocked.